what you have to look forward to, Gary. My marshmallow.
I love you, Gary. This is your sweet Aunt Diane.
Stay down there, Queen Queen. Stay down there, Queen Queen.
Mary Jane, you don't want to go in there, Mary Jane. No, she's so curious. Manny was the one last year who come up here and put his paw up on this and rattle it. He has no fear of anything.
It's not wanting to come out.
I love seeing them fly around.
I know. It's sad not having them this spring. There's the Queenie Queen.
Hey guys. Oops. Let's look at the queen. Got her in there?
She's in there. Stupid cork went into it. Ah,
That shouldn't hurt.
I
Should
know, but I don't want it to block her exit.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. That's right. Forgot why the marshmallow was there.
It might be okay. Check on her in a few days. She hasn't been released. Make sure she is. Okay. All right. There's the lid for this. There it is. All right, guys. Welcome to your new home.
Make us some more honey. That honey is so good. Augie being all handsome over there in the sun. Come on over, Augie.
Alright, guys. Here we go.
Those are very active.
Spray them, and their wings are heavy and have a harder time flying for a minute.
And they don't want to leave.
There you go.
So you're going to put those leftovers in a third hive?
No,
Or they'll just go
they'll
in
get
on their
way
own?
in,
Okay.
The one that has the good honey on it. Good honey. Now I'll come back and put a couple more racks and a couple of eggs. Oh, and their sleeves are already drawn out a little bit. They're already enjoying that. Where'd the queen go? Shoot. Hey, where'd the queen go?
Oh, no.
No. She fall? Yeah. Nope. That's not her. Darn it. Another queen incident.
I was going to say that, but...
There's my queen. And she's probably fine down there, but I won't be able to check on her. Definitely be doing this, but
No. That's riling them up.
no.
Mary Jane's trying to catch them with her mouth.
Shoot.
You want Mary Jane? Augie, too.
Do that if I was you guys.
Augie's not moving, but he is. Uh-oh. Ooh, see? He got one. And he's slinging his head.
Yeah.
Augie.
That's not what you do, Augs.
I'm going to get another one, too, though. I don't care. tough guy.
Now, check back. See her in there. Put her someplace, did I?
I don't know. I wasn't keeping up.
Huh. Watch the video.
Oh yeah. see if something happened to her. She was transported somewhere. What do you think, Manny? Manny. Manito. Good job.
Sit her on there. Huh. Juice her off.
God, he's doing that again.
Those gonna get in.
Manny, you're gonna get something you don't want. Oh, he's wanting to eat that down there. Okay. Alrighty.
She's crazy.
You done?
Queen went though.
You'll find her. You're like a pro now.
That reducer.
And Gary will be before long.
There.